Okay, tank view. Wait, let's put the camera down here. I hate this toilet. Holy shit. It says a ball cock. Have to be careful with this toilet. It says on the tank, you can see the ball cock. The flapper is green. Similar. This is why I hate this toilet. I have to lock it. Gosh. This toilet's broken. This has a loud fill valve. Alright, so here we go. Gosh, this is so pretty loud. Fuck you, I'll just sit here, boy. Guys, you can't see the tank. There. Let's show the real tank. You can see more. The flapper color is green. You can't see that well. This is the ball cock inside the tank. And this is the handle that got replaced on the other bathroom I filmed. See. It's like this toilet. I filmed this toilet a while back, so hate this. Screw you. Fucking amateur. I hate this toilet. Screw you. There. Screw you, Eljer.